Here are the biggest headlines making news across the country today. The political spotlight remains firmly on the India bloc as opposition leaders gather to discuss issues they say are affecting ordinary citizens. Congress leader Vijay Wadetiwar has alleged that rising inflation, increasing fuel prices, and economic pressures are making life difficult for common people, setting the tone for a crucial opposition strategy meeting. Meanwhile, CPI-M General Secretary M.A. Baby has called for stronger coordination within the India alliance. He emphasized that opposition parties must function with greater unity and direction if they hope to effectively challenge the BJP in the coming political contests. Political discussions are also intensifying in Karnataka. JDS leader S.L. Bhojegowda clarified that neither the party nor former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda sought any special consideration regarding Rajya Sabha matters, stressing that public interest should remain above political calculations. Adding another layer to the opposition's challenges, CPI leader D. Raja has pointed out that the DMK has decided to stay away from the India bloc meeting due to differences with the Congress party. As a result, questions remain over the alliance's agenda, attendance, and future course of action. On the economic front, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has highlighted strong performance by Indian refineries. Officials say refineries across the country are operating at optimal capacity and have supplied significant quantities of petrochemical feedstock, supporting key manufacturing sectors and industrial growth. In Gujarat, a major infrastructure and religious tourism project is moving ahead rapidly. Authorities in Ambaji have launched the second phase of an anti-encroachment drive linked to the proposed Shaktipeeth corridor. Dozens of structures are being removed as officials work to clear land for the ambitious development project. Back in Delhi, Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has announced that coordination among India bloc partners will continue during the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament. He also confirmed that alliance leaders plan to meet regularly every 2 months, signaling efforts to maintain political cohesion. From politics to cricket, former Indian captain Kapil Dev has shared his thoughts on young batting sensation Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Calling him a special talent, Kapil advised that expectations should be managed carefully, warning that excessive pressure at a young age could hinder long-term development. In Uttar Pradesh's Basti district, police have launched an investigation into alleged irregularities in the management of a madrasa. A case has been registered against 6 individuals following complaints that forged documents and fake signatures were used to manipulate the institution's governing committee. And finally, political controversy has surfaced in West Bengal. Senior TMC leader Saugata Roy has criticized reports of certain party MPs meeting Union Minister Bhupender Yadav. Roy described the move as politically inappropriate and said leaders elected on the party's symbol should remain aligned with the party's collective position. Those were the top 10 morning headlines. Stay tuned for more breaking updates.